If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To enter a loan payment in Sage 50 Accounting as a check for the amount owed, select Tasks. Write checks from the menu bar to open the Write Checks window. Record the total amount of the loan payment in the top portion of the window. Then assign the interest portion of the payment to a loan interest expense account and the remainder against the loan's liability account. To assign the amounts to the different accounts, click the Split button to open the Split transaction window. In this window, assign the part of the payment that reduces the loan principal to the correct long-term liability account. Then assign the remainder of the payment, which should only be loan interest, to your interest expense account. Then click the OK button to return to the Write Checks window. Then save and/or print the check as normal. After doing this, Sage 50 Accounting automatically subtracts the amount of the check from the checking account, enters the interest amount as an increase to your company's interest expense, and subtracts the principal amount from the value of the long-term liability account, which reduces your debt. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.